Hello everyone, welcome to Nifty Prediction Weekly Video Series. I am BL Guru. The rise to 23,800 on the Nifty happened as expected last week. Nifty has come down slightly after testing the resistance at 23,800. The overall picture is still positive. However, an intermediate dip is possible before the Nifty goes back up to 24,000. Let us now look at the charts and see the outlook for the coming week. The resistance at 23,800 mentioned last week is holding well for now. As long as the Nifty trades below 23,800, it can come down to 23,200 or even 22,900 in the short term. After this fall, we can expect the index to reverse higher and rise back to 24,100. Nifty Bank Index has good support at 51,000 and 5900. As long as the index trades above this support, the outlook will remain bullish. Nifty Bank Index can rise to 52,900 and 53,000 in the short term. A break above 53,000 will be very bullish to see a rise to 54,000 and higher levels. In case the index breaks below 5900, a fall to 50,000 is possible. However, such a fall is less likely. Overall, the outlook is positive. Nifty can rise to 24,100 in the short term, but before this rise, a dip to 23,200 or 22,900 is possible. Nifty Bank Index has support at 51,000 and 5900. The outlook is bullish to see a rise to 53,000. A break above 53,000 will be very bullish to see 54,000 and higher levels in the coming weeks.
If you have any questions on F&O, please write to derivatives@thehindu.co.in. To know the outlook on specific stocks that you are holding and get advice on whether to book profit or hold it or buy more, write to techtrail@thehindu.co.in. For any queries on mutual funds, email to mf@thehindu.co.in. For any questions, clarifications on investments, personal finance, write to blportfolio@thehindu.co.in. To get more insights on investments, personal finance, stocks and commodity picks for short and long term based on technical analysis as well as F&O strategies, subscribe to BL Portfolio section from the link that you see on your screen. Please note that the outlook given in this video is based on technical analysis. These are strictly not trade recommendations. If you want to trade this view, please read the detailed index outlook article published in our website in the portfolio section. The link of the article is given below in the description.